Greetings, family. It's YouTube Sunday. This time we're gonna be doing Shrouded Fable. We've got all the mini tins, the art set from Shrouded Fable, and these last two. So we've got the entire art set, and we got it from PokerRavenTCG.com, and he sent us a little gift. It says, "We take care of our loyal customers and collectors." So wonder what's in here. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're still trying to do this master set. It's been kind of hard to find Shrouded Fable at retail here in Puerto Rico. In Puerto Rico, booster bundles go for like $40, and I'm like tired of paying $40 for a booster bundle. So yeah, I got these for the low. So shout out to Poker Raven. Let's see what's in here. I think this is a slab. Holy, what? Charizard. Hit the stage like I'm Charizard, like I'm Charizard, hit the stage. Diantre, Jose. Qué demencia. I'm speechless. A Charizard, holy, wow. Look at that, family. Let me focus this right here. Let me take it out of the plastic so you can see it better. It's an inverted slab. It's a 10. Gem Mint 10. Charizard V, Japanese. That is sick. Shout out to Poker Raven, www.pokerraventcg.com. This is not a sponsored or anything like video. I literally I'm a customer. I buy from this website all the time. Great deals, Japanese, English product. It sells out quick, so when he posts something, you gotta be on the lookout. Be checking on the website every day, every week. But yeah, great deals over there. So yeah, that's where we got this art set, because I collect the cards inside of the mini tins. So we're just gonna start ripping through these. It's gonna be 10 booster packs. Let's see what we get. First mini tin, look at the artworks. That's sick. It's got a sticker. It's got the card. I collect both of these. And it's got 2 packs. Let's go. Let's see. First tin, first 2 packs. See what we get. I'm excited to finish Shrouded Fable. I'm already at the stage where I'm gonna buy singles. I bought 2 singles from collections, and I'm looking for a bunch of singles, trying to get them from collectors and friends and other card shops. Gotta go back to collections and see what else they got. So yeah, let's see. Let's see if we got some hits in these 5 tins. Woo-hoo. First pack magic. First pack magic. Petron EX. First pack magic. There we go. First pack magic. Let's leave this up. Petron EX. First pack magic. Second pack. Let's go. Let's see what we get. We want hits in all the packs. That's what we need. That Tapu Bulu was it. Regular hollow Tapu Bulu. That's what we got. So yeah. First 10. That was pretty good. So let's go. Put this over here. Okay. Next 10. Let's go. Where's the little rip thingy to open it? Here we go. This one opened up super funny. So yeah, look at the artworks. You got the card. At the end I'll show you, I think these all connect. And I'll put a picture up. We've got 2 more packs. Let's go. We need that illustration rare horsey. It's one of my chase cards for this set. Reverse hollow, reverse hollow. Kingdra EX. We already got this one, but it's still a hit. Let's go. We need the reverse hollow Sylveon, sorry, reverse hollow Sylveon. I didn't check the other packs if we got it. Let me check the other ones. Give me 1 second here. I'm checking if we missed it maybe. We need that reverse hollow Sylveon. Really hard card to get. Still haven't gotten it. Same with the Blood Moon or Saluna. I haven't pulled it. I have to buy it. I bought it. Next tin. Let me open it up and show you the art. Beautiful. That's sick. Look at that. It's a sticker. 2 more packs. Oh, we hadn't opened the other pack. Still, sorry. Sorry, family. I got all excited. Let's see. We still haven't opened the other pack from the other tin. See if we get a hit before we open these 2. Hope everyone's having a great Sunday. I filmed these live, like it's actually Sunday right now. So yeah. Hope everybody has had a great weekend and is ready for the week ahead. We're looking for that reverse hollow Sylveon. Another Tapu Bulu hollow. Okay, let's go with the 2 packs from the other tin. We still got 2 more tins left. That's good. Drowsy. Woo! Yeah. Let's go. Dusk Noir. Dusk Noir illustration rare. And Dusk Noir right behind it. That's sick. Let's sleeve this up. That was some third tin magic. It's from the third tin. Go follow me on Instagram because I'm waiting on like 8 booster packs of Shrouded Fable that I got in the mail. But I think those are going to be opened up over there on Instagram. It's at @ash_catcher. So yeah, go check that out. Zoroark and Zoroark journey together. Got a lot of attention, that Pokemon, recently. Another tin. Monkey Dory just chilling. Sticker. 2 packs. Okie dokie. We're gonna open 2 packs, okie dokie. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, okie dokie, okie dokie. Ripping okie dokie to shreds right there. Meow. Zorua at Journey Together promos, beautiful card. Let's see what we hit. The reverse hollow. Another binding Moki. Ah! Diantre! 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 I can't touch the phone or it will melt. Hot hand alert. I said we needed this horsey illustration rare. And it happened. Shout out Poke Raven, Jose. Estos tins sigue estaban bueno. Prensado. These tins were heavy, family. Look at this. This is one of my personal chase cards from Shrouded Fable. I know everyone's looking for the Persian, but I was looking for the horsey. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Wow, can't believe we pulled this. What a YouTube Sunday. I'm glad I went with Shrouded Fable. I wasn't going to do Shrouded Fable for YouTube Sunday. I was going to do, I think, Scarlet and Violet or Gloria Team Rocket again. Journey Together. I had options. Gem Pack Volume 1, some Chinese for YouTube. But I decided to go with the 5 mini tins. So I'm like, that's going to take a while, you know, ripping the mini tins. And I really didn't want to edit or fast forward all this for Instagram. I only got 3 minutes over here. I kind of get to relax. This is how I actually open packs. I'm not rushed. I'm just in my room, on my desk. getting hits. That's what I've been doing since I was a kid. My first ever Pokemon booster pack, I pulled base set Charizard. That's it, one booster pack. My mom got me one booster pack. I opened it and I got base set Charizard. Ever since then, you know, I've just had amazing luck. I'm blessed. I'm blessed with the pulls. Look at this. Wow, so far we're doing really, really well. We're doing really, really well. What was behind was the Blood Moon Ursa Luna Hollow, Energy, code card. If anybody wants all these code cards, I've been showing them on my videos, so if somebody actually scans them, like, but I actually have them in a box. I haven't thrown them out, so if somebody pays for the shipping, I'll send them to you. This was the 4th tin. We've gotten a hit pretty much on every tin. That seems to be the trend. We got 5 tins, and we've got, well, now I think we got 4 hits. We're missing a tin, so yeah, 4 tins and 4 hits. That's great. If we get that reverse hollow Sylveon, that's like a Charizard for me right now. That's like a Bubble Mew for me right now. It's hard, I'm telling you. I couldn't even find it at the card shop. They have a whole binder. Shout out to Collections of reverse hollows, but I got the Blood Moon Ursa Luna, but I couldn't find the Sylveon. Revavroom EX. You might need this. Let me pull it apart. Because I organized reverse hollows separately from the common cards, and I put the EX cards twice. So they're still in the same order. So as you know, reverse hollows don't, the EX cards don't have reverse hollow versions, so I still need 2 of each for my master set. So yeah, this is the last tin. We're almost 20 minutes. Thanks for watching so long. I know these are long videos. That's what YouTube is for long videos. Okie dokie. I'm gonna show you all the artworks at the end, like a picture of all them together, of these. Last 2 packs. YouTube Sunday is coming to an end, family. What time is it right now? It's 9 a.m. Thanks for tuning in. Yeah, let's go. Last 2 packs. YouTube Sunday closing in. If we get that Persian, any illustration rare, any full art, anything, any card we need, the reverse hollow Sylveon, I'm happy with. Let's go. Okay. Okay. That Tapu Bulu hollow is haunting us. How many have we gotten? Like 4? 3 of them? That's a lot. That's a lot of Tapu Bulu. Ah! The cards are jumping at me. They want it to be saved from the booster pack. They're like, get me out of here. Get me out of here. Get me out of here. Last pack. Thanks for watching, family. This is the last pack right here. That's it. You can't complain, family. We had a bunch of hits. These were our hits. And we got this gift. So yeah, shout out to PokeRavenTCG.com. And thanks for watching this video, family. Can't believe I got the Horsey, one of my chase cards. Can't believe I got this. So this was a win for sure. I have 8 booster packs coming in the mail that I'm gonna be opening on Instagram. Go follow me on Instagram and go watch that. There's gonna be a 200 followers giveaway on Instagram, and I'm at 198 followers as I'm recording this video, so that's gonna be coming up soon. So go follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna be giving away some Gloria Team Rocket booster packs. Go check that out. It's gonna be a duck race, and yeah, what a video. We got a surprise slab Gemmin 10 Charizard, and we got one special illustration rare and 2 illustration rares and 2 EXs, just from 10 booster packs from 5 mini tins. So yeah, let me show you after this the picture of all the arts together from the mini tins, and that's about it. Thanks for watching. Go follow me on Instagram at @ash_Thatcher, and like, subscribe, comment. What did you think about the video? What should I open up next YouTube Sunday? And do you like Shrouded Fable? Do you hate Shrouded Fable? A lot of people hate Shrouded Fable. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm super happy we got a bunch of hits. What a way to start Sunday. Have a great Sunday, family. Blessings. See you next Sunday. See you next week. Blessings.